Hi friends, myself Keke Singh. So, in the same sequence of Google Sheets, today I am going to discuss the same function, that is Vlookup. Why Vlookup? Because there are many shapes and many forms of Vlookup. We can use Vlookup in many forms. And today also, I have brought a new function with Vlookup. Last time I discussed if, and this time I am going to discuss a new function that is called the columns. So how does columns function work? We'll see in this video. So let's move to our Google Sheets. So this is my Google Sheet. What I want, my result sheet is say sheet 3. If I apply, suppose I give 3 and I want this person, I want to fetch this person or fetch the data from this row, serial number 3. So how to do it is, so very simple. I'll apply Vlookup, and what do you want to search? So search key is this, and from here I'll have to select the range, and my range is, I'm taking my range from here, and this is my range. And after that I'll have to give an index, means which column. So if I see, if I give like 2, as soon as I press enter key, it gives the person name. Or in place of, you know 2, I can use the column. What does column do? Actually, column function gives the column number in which the cursor is. For example, if I apply is equal to column, and give the cell reference, suppose I gave the cell reference, suppose this F3. So F3, what does it return? Let's see, what does it return? So it returns 6. Why? Because A, B, C, D, E means 1, 2, 3, 4. How come? F3, okay, F3. This is, I would rather wanted to say, I want to find out the column number. So if I mentioned 6, so F3, I wanted to know the column number of F3. So when I apply column F3, F3 is the reference, that is F3, this is the F3, and I want to know which column is this. So this is the F3 is the 6th column. So it gives 6th column. Similarly, I can also apply columns, but in the columns I'll have to find out how many columns are involved in the columns range, so the columns function will require the range or the array. For example, if I say is equal to columns columns, and now I'll have to mention the range, or you can say the array. So I'm going to say select the range. Suppose this range I have selected, and when I close this and press the enter key, it gives 3. Why? Because in this array there are 3 columns. A to C, there are 3 columns. So wherever I want the range of the columns, I'll use columns, and where I want only one column, I'll use column only. And what I want to, the application, the use case which I am going to show you here is what I want to give the serial number here and fetch the value of serial number 3, means all the columns of the serial number 3. Correct? So here this is Vlookup, and what I want to look A8 where in this series, which series? A62 W42. So I'll make this address or the range some bit absolute, so that when I copy this range from one cell to another, it should not change. So this range should be constant. So what will I do? I'll do make it absolute, so F4. So now this range is fixed, and what I want to fetch all the elements. Fetch all the elements का मतलब fetch all the columns of row number, whichever serial is here. So this is the range in which I want to search this. And what column should be there? I want the range of the columns. So instead of giving the number or the index number directly, I'll use columns. And columns means and there's no matter if I take the appropriate column number, like if I select the column number from here, wherever you want, I can take this, because it will actually takes total number of columns included in this range. Correct? So I have taken this range. When I see my range is given, and after that means my index is given, then I'll say exact match, and then say this 147. So 147 is basically is what I wanted. One value means name. So if you see here, I'll take, say, C30. And what does it mean? It means B to C, there are how many columns? 2 columns, B and C. And if I click or press enter, so it will give me this. Correct? And I want to fetch all the values. So how to fetch all the values? So I'm going to do something here. I'll have to make this, because I want you to copy this formula to rest of the cells. So first I'll have to make this cell absolute, So this is absolute, range is absolute, and from B3 to, I'll also make this cell absolute, F4, but I'm not going to make this absolute. Okay, and here this is the name, and now I want to copy this formula from this place to this place. Let me check. So see here, the entire range is copied here. When I apply this formula here, I want to search this. If I say give any other number like 4, then it will give second student's value. If I enter another serial number, it will give S a value. So this way, with the help of the columns, with the help of the columns, we can include multiple columns in one go along with the VLOOKUP. So this is the use case of VLOOKUP and columns. Hope you understood the concept of column and columns, and if you like it, kindly share with your friends, and if you're not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it, and we'll meet in the next video with some other scenario and functions. So we'll meet with a new command, new function in my next video. So we'll meet. Bye bye.